But what's not to love about lemon icebox pie? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a lemon. I am going to slice it down the middle. While I'm slicing it, I'm also going to slice one thin piece of lemon to decorate the top of the pie with while I'm at it. Alright, so we're going to take this, place our lemon in here, and it's not going to fit because it's so doggone big. I like to cut the tip off of the lemon before I try to squeeze it out. That way I can get a better grip on it. I'll squeeze them in quarters. I'm using 2 large lemons because we like it to be really tart. If you don't want it to be as tart, you can use a little less lemon juice. I like to use at least a ½ cup. Alright, 2 cans of Eagle brand milk. And the yellows of 3 eggs, 3 egg yolks. Helps it get pretty color. And you don't want to put the whites in there because you're not supposed to eat raw egg whites. And I know some people put them in there, but I don't like to. So here we go. I'm going to mix this up. Okay, let's get this in the crust. The egg helps this set up. A lot of people omit the egg, but it's better with it in there. So my mama always used it, so I suggest you do as well. You also want to use 2 cans of Eagle brand to get a nice big tall pie. This is the lemon. It's not quite all the way set up, but really close. Chris walked away, so I've been eating. It's not quite set up all the way, but it's so delicious. I mean, what's not to love about lemon icebox pie? Thanks for watching Collar Valley Cooks, where we cook like Mama did.